Now it is the time. So it is the time for the submission of the report by Dr. Rajiv Sharma sir, and as well as the extending the vote of thanks for all the speakers, participants, and the guests for the whole function. Over to you, sir, Dr. Rajiv Sharma sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And I will start the vote of thanks with a very popular peace mantra. And in this situation, this mantra is very much required. That Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kashit Dukh Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May all become happy. May none fall ill. May all see auspicious everywhere. May none ever feel sorrow. Om, peace, peace, peace. There's a statement by the Abraham Lincoln. The best way to predict the future is to create it. A very good evening to all the present here. It has been our pleasure to host all the participants to this international virtual symposium at DIT University. On the behalf of DIT University, I, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Sharma, Vice President of APTI Uttarakhand, deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks. I am thankful to all who contributed in one way or another way to make this International Virtual Symposium a success. I am thankful to all the participants to attend this International Virtual Symposium. The participants, they were very enthusiastic as they asked several questions. We have been fortunate to have some of our eminent personalities in the area of pharmacy, and I am sure that the participant must have benefited by attending this virtual symposium. First of all, my sincerely thank to our chief guest, Dr. B. Suresh, President, Pharmacy Council of India, and Pro-Chancellor, GSS Academy of Higher Education and Research, Mysuru, for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing this inaugural function and delivering the inaugural address. Sir, give main emphasis on the challenges in the current scenario, challenges in the immunization, role of pharmacist in the immunization, and future role to be played by the pharmacist. I acknowledge the unwavering support received from our Honorable Chancellor, Sri N. Ravi Shankar, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor and Brigadier N. Srinivasan, our Energetic Director, Professor Jagannath Sahu, and our beloved Head of Department, Professor Chitme, for the efforts they put in organizing this virtual symposium. I am very thankful to all the staff, faculty and the staff member. There were some hurdles since we are organizing it on the large scale. With the support of our team, we overcome this hurdle. So I would like to quote some line on this कि वो पथ क्या पुथिक कुशलता क्या जिस पथ में बिखरे शूल न हो नाविक की धैर्य कुशलता क्या जब धाराएं प्रतिकूल न हो. And definitely with the help of our all the eminent personality speakers as well as our HOD sir and Jagannath Sahu sir, we overcome this hurdle. I thank all speakers and the delegates for their enthusiastic participation in this virtual symposium and delivered their expert talk. I am very thankful to Professor Prakash Diwan, who is a member of BOG and ATL Government of India. He delivered his expert talk on immunization, a key to preventive healthcare. Dr. Diwan presentation was very informative and practical. He explained the importance of vaccination with some facts that how immunization has reduced mortality, morbidity, reduces direct and indirect medical costs. Dr. Diwan covers all the aspects that were deeply interested because all know this pandemic has impacted almost every corner of the life and lots of doubts in the mind of individuals and answered all questions in a very simple way. Dr. Diwan emphasized mainly on importance of the healthy lifestyle, immunization, as getting immunized is important for at least two reasons: to protect yourself and to protect those around you. This session was coordinated by Dr. Mandeep Arora. I'm also thankful to Dr. Atif Sadek from Bradford School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, UK, and his topic was the role of English pharmacy community team in vaccination and public health. Dr. Atif described the role of English community pharmacists in immunization practice as serving in the role of educator, facilitator, and immunizer, with majority of the pharmacists providing vaccination across or occurring in the community pharmacy settings. There are many examples of the community pharmacists who are serving in this immunization role with successful outcomes. Different community pharmacists employ a number of different models and workflow practices that usually consist of year-round in-house service staffed by their own immunization pharmacist. Dr. Atif highlighted the COVID-specific service provided through the community pharmacist team, like free distribution of LFD to all, prescription delivery services, PPE, vaccination, IT setup, and many more. In the England, around 11,500 community pharmacists, they are functioning, and more than 200 pharmacies are arranging the vaccination in around 400 to 1,000 vaccines per week. The session was coordinated by the Dr. Arvind Gulbake. I am also thankful to Dr. Alka Ahuja, Chairman Pharmacy Program, National University of Science and Technology, Oman, and her topic was role of pharmacists in COVID-19 vaccination. And she gave the main emphasis on the immunization process in Oman. She talked about single dose vaccine and how the students they are helping in vaccination. She also talked about vaccine safety, how the pharmacists they are providing help in vaccination drive and keeping record and storage of vaccine. She talked on logistic processes and preparation of syringes and also on vaccine hesitancy. The session, it was well coordinated by Dr. Bhavna. I'm also thankful to Dr. Meenakshi Ramanatham from the University of North Texas Health Sciences Center, USA, and her topic was role of pharmacists in immunization. And she discussed the history of immunization in the USA, what is the role of pharmacists in immunization, and how pharmacists can educate about to the patient about the benefits of the immunization. She also put the main emphasis on how to market the immunization program. The session was coordinated by Dr. Dhirodatta Senapati. My thanks goes to all the people who has given their precious time in organizing this international virtual symposium. In particular, I would like to acknowledge and thanks Mr. Samir Bhargav for handling the technical issue and Ms. Anamika Gulbake for nice anchoring. I would like to quote some line for our participants कि ना पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है. ना पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है. न हारूंगा हौसला उम्र भर, न हारूंगा हौसला उम्र भर, ये मैंने किसी से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है. I would like to quote some line on the vaccination. न दुआ न दवा, नहीं दोस्ती यारी, जल्दी से लगवाओ कोरोना की वैक्सीन, जब भी आए तुम्हारी बारी, सब कर लो कोरोना से दो हाथ करने की तैयारी, राजा प्रजा सब मिलकर करो कोरोना से युद्ध की तैयारी, जल्दी से वैक्सीन लगाओ और दूर करो ये बीमारी. So with these lines on the vaccination, this concludes the webinar. Thank you all for attending. We hope you have learned a lot from this symposium. I'd like to thank you for participating in today's international virtual symposium. And it is a information to all the candidates. A feedback form will be sent to your mail with which you registered, and I request all of you to fill the form to receive a certificate of the participation, and we hope to see you again in the next event and continue your support. Thank you all. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you all. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.